Hello students, today we are going to do rest of the questions of exercise 3.1. Question number 6 is the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Find the highest and the lowest marks obtained by the students. By observing these numbers, you can directly see the highest marks is 95 because 95 is the greatest number out of these, and the lowest marks is 39. Now second, range of the marks obtained. Range means highest marks minus lowest marks, that is 56. Now we have to find mean marks obtained by the group. How we find the mean? Sum of marks upon total number of marks. We can see all the given number are 10. Therefore, their sum will be divided by 10. 730 divided by 10 gives 73. Therefore, mean marks obtained by the group of students is 73. Now question number 7 is the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. Enrollment means admissions. In 1 year, how many admissions? In 6 consecutive years, given numbers of admission has done in a school. We have to find mean enrollment of the school for this period. To find mean, at first we will find sum of the number of enrollments and we will divide it by total numbers of enrollment. In this way, the total number of enrollments are 6 because these are the admissions or the enrollment during 6 consecutive years. The sum is 12,348. On dividing this by 6, we have got 2,058. It means on an average in a year we can say 2058 admissions are done. Question number 8 is the rainfall in millimeter in a city on in first part. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. How we find the range? Highest rainfall minus lowest rainfall. It is, we can see this one is highest and these are lowest and equal. So 20.5 minus 0.0 is equal to 20.5 millimeter. Then mean rainfall. To find mean rainfall, we add all the rainfalls in the week and we will divide it by 7 because there are 7 days in a week. On adding these numbers, we have got 41.3 and on dividing it by 7, we will get 5.9. How we will divide it? See here, 41.3 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. Now what remains? 6 and we can write 3 here. Now there is a decimal, so we have to put decimal here also. Okay, now you can divide 7 9s are 63. Therefore answer will be 5.9 millimeter. Question number 3 is on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. This is the mean rainfall and you have to check on which day the rainfall was less than 5.9. So on 5 days it is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. On 5 days, IE. IE means, what does it mean by IE? It means that is. This is the shortest form to write that is. Okay. So on 5 days, that is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, rainfall were less than the mean rainfall. This is the final answer. Now question number 9 is there. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. ये हैं जो 10 girls की heights हैं. Okay. Now we have to find what is the height of the tallest girl. Tallest means the most tall girl. सबसे लंबी गर्ल की हाइट कितनी है? You can see the numbers and which one is the greatest? 151. Yes. So this is the highest height of tallest girl. The height of shortest girl, find here. This one is the smallest number, 128. So this is the height of shortest girl, that is 128 centimeter. What is the centimeter? You can see your scale. In the scale you will see the marks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the distance between these two numbers will be equal to 1 centimeter. This is equal to 1 centimeter actually. Now next, third part of this. The range of data. Range of data means second part, third part. The range of data means greatest height minus lowest height. Greatest height is 151 and lowest is 128. So we have got 23 by subtracting. Fourth is, what is the mean height of girl? To find mean height, we will add all the heights and we know there are 10 girls, so we will divide the sum by 10. We have got 1414 and on dividing it by 10, we will get 141.4 centimeter. Question number 5 means part 5th of this. They are asking how many girls have height more than mean height. The mean height is 141.4. So how many girls have the height more than this? You can check here. Yes, this is greater. This is also greater. Yes, this one is greater. This one is greater. And this one. Okay. Now 5 girls. The height is given 150, 151, 146, 149, 143 have heights more than the mean height. This is the complete solution of this question. So students, here this exercise is completed now.